here the question is prove that cos 15 minus sin 15 by cos 15 plus sin 15 is equal to 1 by root 3. That is, the solution is, so the LHS is equal to cos 15 degree minus sin 15 degree by cos 15 degree plus sin 15 degree. So divided by cos, divided by cos 15 degree. So therefore we get that cos 15 degree by cos 15 degree. This is equal to minus sin 15 degree by cos 15 degree by cos 15 degree by cos 15 degree plus sin 15 degree by cos 15 degree. Okay. So this 2 is cancelled. So we get that 1 minus tan 15 degree by 1 plus tan 15 degree. So that is nothing but sin by cos, sin x by cos x is nothing but tan x. And it can be written as 1 minus tan 15 degree by 1 plus 1 into tan 15 degree. And 1 can be written as tan 45. So therefore we written as tan 45 degree minus tan 15 degree by 1 plus tan 45 degree into tan 50 degree. So this is nothing but tan A minus B. That is, this is tan A minus B. What is the formula for tan A minus B? Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. This is the formula. So that is nothing but tan of A minus B tan of A minus B. So that is tan of 45 minus 50. This is equal to tan of 30 degree. Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3, which is RHS. So we prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So how we can solve this problem? Just we recall that. So given that cos 15 minus sin 15 by cos 15 plus sin 15. First we can divide it by cos 15 of each term. Cos 15 by cos 15 minus sin 15 by cos 15 and cos 15 by cos 15 plus sin 15 by cos 15. Okay, both cos will be cancelled. So we get that 1 minus tan 15 by 1 plus tan 15. Okay. And here this is 1 can be, tan 15 can be written as 1 into tan 15 in the denominator, and 1 can be written as tan 45 degree. So instead of 1 here, we are writing as a tan 45 minus tan 15 by 1 plus tan 45 into tan 15. So this form is tan A minus B. So what is the formula for tan A minus B? Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Here the A value is equal to 45 degree and B value is equal to 15 degree. So substitute the values in the formula, we get the tan 30. Tan 30 is nothing but a 1 by root 3. And next one, that is the fifth one, is prove that sin 2 theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to cot theta. The solution is the LHS is equal to what is left hand side, that is sin 2 theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta. Okay. So first we need the formula. Since sin 2 theta, that is nothing but a 2 sin theta cos theta. And next you are writing as a cos 2 theta, that is nothing but 2 cos square theta. So these two formulas will be remembered. So therefore that is implies sin 2 theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta. This can be written as sin 2 theta. How can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta, that is nothing but 2 cos square theta minus 1. So and we get that 2 sin theta cos theta by 1 minus of 2 cos square theta, minus into minus plus. So we get that 2 sin theta cos theta by 2 minus 2 cos square theta, that is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta by, taken 2 as a common, we get that 1 minus cos square theta. So therefore that is equal to 2 into sin theta into cos theta by 2 into 1 minus cos square theta. The 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but a sin square theta. 2 is cancelled, 1 sin is cancelled. So we get that cos theta by sin theta, that is cos theta by cot theta, nothing but a cot theta, which is RHS. And here that we written as a formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So therefore for simplification of this problem, first we need the basic formulas, sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta, and cos 2 theta is nothing but this is cos 2 theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta minus 1, that is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Just we substitute the values, formulas in this equation and we simplify. So we get that, finally we get that 2 sin theta cos theta by 2 into 1 minus cos square theta. The basic formula is needed, that is sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta. So one sign will be cancelled and we get 2 is cancelled. We get that cos theta by sin theta. The cos theta by sin theta is nothing but cot theta, which is RHS. And next problem is find the conjugate of complex number. What is the complex number? 3 minus 4i by 2i. So we need to find this conjugate. So the basic formula is so if there is z1 by z2 and we apply the whole conjugate, separate the conjugate z1 bar by z2 bar. So therefore that is implies so 3 minus 4i by 2i whole conjugate, that is nothing but 3 minus whole conjugate by 2i conjugate. So the conjugate of 3 minus 4i, that is nothing but 3 plus 4i, and the conjugate this is nothing but 2i bar. So that is this is equal to I. We get that 3 plus 4i, and this is nothing but I by conjugate of I bar, that is nothing but I minus I. So this is nothing but 2 into minus I. So we get that is z1 by z2 whole conjugate equal to 3 plus 4i by minus 2i. Separate each one, minus 3 by 2i minus 4 by 2 I by I. I by I is cancelled. So we get that minus 2 minus 3 by 2i. So this is a conjugate of this one. So that is minus 2 minus 3 by 2i is conjugate of 3 minus 4i by 2i. So here the basic formula is if there is z1 by z2 whole conjugate, that is nothing but z1 bar by z1 conjugate divided by z2 conjugate, that is nothing but 3 minus 4i whole conjugate by 2i conjugate. So that is for 3 plus 4i, 3 minus 4i, if we have a minus then we put a plus. So therefore 3 plus 4i by 2 is a constant I bar. I bar is nothing but minus I. The conjugate of I bar equal to minus I. So therefore, for in the numerator we have two parts are there. One is a 3 and another one is 4i. Separate these two parts. That is nothing but 3 plus 4i by minus 2i. That is nothing but minus 3 by 2 by I. Minus 4 by 2 by I. I will be cancelled. And we get that minus 2 minus 3 by 2i. So directly it is a conjugate. So don't take a conjugate of this one. Okay. So here we take the conjugate of a plus bi. That is a minus bi. Conjugate of a minus bi is equal to a plus bi. And conjugate of I bar okay. And next one is the seventh one. Find the equation of straight line. Straight line passing through the point minus 4 comma 6 and 6 comma 8, that is, we have a formula, that is equation of straight line passing through x1 y1 and x2 y2 is, what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, so taken as 1. So we know that the points, what are the points? x1 y1, that is nothing but a minus 4 comma 6, and x2 y2, that is nothing but a 6 comma 8. Substitute 2 in 1 in 1. So therefore y minus 6 equal to 8 minus 6 divided by 6 minus of minus 4 into x minus of minus 4. So that is nothing but y minus 6 equal to 2 by 10 into x plus 4. 2 1 jar, 2 5 jar. So therefore 5 into y minus 6 equal to x plus 4, and we get that x minus 5 into y minus 6, this is converted into this side, we get the plus will be converted into this side, we get minus equal to 0. X minus 5y plus 30 plus 4 equal to 0, that is x minus 5y plus 34 equal to 0. This is equation of straight line. So it is required straight line, that is x minus 5y plus 34 equal to 0. So here this is the 2 points, that is, this is the 1 point and this is the 1 point, say x1 y1 and x2 y2. We need to find this straight line passing through the point. So we find this point, that is find ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Find. So that is nothing but we need to find this equation of straight line passing through this x1 y1 and x2 y2. So the basic formula is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, and it is directly given that x1 y1 and x2 y2. Substituting these points in the equation and we simplify, we get the corresponding answer.